Moo! Moo! You got a joke today?
No, mate.
No? Right, bring us back. I'll bring us back when we got a joke. Tell you what, it's not happy that. Staring at him then.
Calves, that, innit?
Giving him daggers.
They call calves.
Yeah. Alport Castle's in the distance there. That's a good place to go. How long are we? 50 minutes in? We're not too much in.
It's a bit embarrassing, mate. 56 minutes and we're not even...
Gone nowhere.
Yeah.
So, we're going Crookstone North, Dead Sheep. I'm going to walk across to see how far we get. Seal Stones, Worm Stones. Mad Woman Stones is closer. But if you go Mad Woman Stones, we've tossed it off route, girl.
Tossed it off.
Yeah. If we end there, if we end up there, we've given up. So,
Crookstone, yeah?
yeah, we might be camping at Crookstone, aka Dead Sheep.
Right near me, you know. Right near me.
What are you doing in Wild?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Wimbres?
Aye. That time of year now.
I thought they come in like later.
Well, they're small, aren't they?
Nice.
Are we just fastly approaching Dead Sheep? I think there's people there. We're not going there anyway, but someone's in a tent there. It's a good spot actually. And then there's some rocks that go in the distance. But we're heading up over yonder towards Fairbrook Naze. And
We're not getting that far.
yeah, we're not getting that far. We might, who knows? When the heart's calling. And then you've got Mamso or Ringdale in the distance there. And Winnett's Pass. We're just having a look. We reckon that's Mad Woman Stones. We reckon there's a few places there, but we're not going there because we're not being lazy.
Wow, should we go for that?
So we're heading to Seal Stones over there. I think that's Fairbrook Naze in the distance. It's in the far distance Naze, isn't it?
I don't want to speak about that place, mate.
Fairbrook Naze. Why? What happened there? I think.
That's a nice shot with the sun on you.
Yeah, I think
We're not going Mad Woman Stone then.
some aliens might have come in the middle of the night.
Aliens
and done
made
something to him. Did some experiments on him. Nature at its best.
Taste test.
Oh, Wimbres. Normally bigger than that.
You ever seen Into the Wild? Where he dies in a bus on his home because he ate the wrong leaf. Good film.
They're not a bad size.
Is that a joke?
No, it's an actual film. It's a good film.
I was waiting for a punchline.
He died. I shouldn't have told you that actually. He goes travelling around America and shit.
Oh, they're well nice, them, you know.
Alright guys, we're at Blackden Moor now. We've not made it to Sealstones, which is over there. We're now 2 hours and 40 in, so we need to pitch up. Robbie's going to go there. George is over there. He's freestanding so he can move it around. So I need to work out which way the wind's coming because I can't have my door into the wind, as you know. Right, let's get pitched up. Right, what do you reckon? We're up. Just need to get the guys in. I've only got to fucking smash me. Sorry for me, I'm going to have to swear. Shut up!
Get the guys in, what, me and George?
I've smashed my phone.
Oh.
I smashed the screen on my phone doing a time lapse. So, I'm a bit annoyed.
Got a bit of respect, Robert.
Yeah. Read the room. So, yeah, it's looking good. Other than that, forget I don't matter smash phone. We're here to have a good time. Anyway, let's get the guys on. They just need tightening up. But the 4th time I pitched this now, and I've had to Egypt. Obviously, I can't. There's not many places here for us to pitch, so we've had to make do. George is there, Bradbury's there, as you can see. So I thought ideally they're great. I've come to put the pole in, and I can't put that straight. So the wind's hitting me this way, which is not great, but we'll have to make do, won't we? Let's tighten up some of these. We'll get these guys out. I've got one on the other way. I've got one to give him back because he borrowed me one. If he behaves himself. Right, so the wind's hitting it from this way, so obviously I'm not going to put it that way, I'm going to put it into the wind. Up there for thinking, down there for dancing. It used to be for football. No longer. It's looking good actually, looking pretty taut. There's the seam sealing. Beautiful job. You couldn't even tell, could you? Unless you were Stevie Wonder. I put some seam sealer on the inside, bit of a trick. Worked actually, stops you sliding. Someone said that you always slide in these. Tell you what, if it rains, coming in, I'll be there. Need to raise that if I can. Right, first rule of Fight Club: you don't open your first beer till your tent's up. We're up. She's up. She's slightly up. Let's have a look. I don't know if you call it up. Look at the state of this.
Love weather, innit?
Look. Yeah, I've not brought my. What's happened there?
Hey?
What's happened there?
I told you, I think it's because the poles are ski with, because it's never normal like that. It's supposed flat as a pancake there.
Weapon of choice for tonight.
Out the way, really.
Always start lower percentage first, as we know. So I've got a Brewdog Punk IPA, 5.4. Then I've got a double hop haze, a Brewdog double hazy, 7.3. That's going to be hoppy. It's not going to be nice. Then I've got my pudding, Banoffee Pud Stout, 7%, and then to finish off, just a lightly 8.1, which is an Imperial Salted Caramel Chocolate Biscuit Stout. Bosh! Right, come on. Right, taste test. I've already tasted it anyway, but I didn't film. 2 out of 10. Should rank that. Looking forward to it. It was an that's the weakest.
Brewdog. And there's some controversy with
5.4.
Brewdog at the minute.
Yeah, they're treating the staff bad and stuff like that,
Yeah,
aren't
there
they?
you go.
Yeah. We
They're
don't.
probably not brewing it properly because they're pissed.
George knows about good to be alive, isn't it? Alive and kicking. One down.
Hey, Mozzies didn't struggle, George.
Round 2.
I know mine was a bit higher though.
Double. That was zingy, and that was a single IPA. This is going to be even zingier.
So this is the same mode as
Oh,
Mozzies, but like
wrong.
you say,
7.2. Got it wrong way around, haven't I?
yeah, straight on.
7. Muffy Pudge Stout.
It's gonna go away and come back.
It'll come fly straight back to where.
Can you do a circle one with it?
Yeah, it's coming back now. Show you.
Ooh.
Basically just that button.
Ooh.
That just gives you different
Basically
options.
gives you all of that.
It's a belt of that. Off the back of a 2 out of 10, that's an 8.
It just flies straight back to where.
Rude girl, try this. Mankind.
Oh, hello, Margaret. Give us a kiss.
Alright. How many face?
Look at the moon.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. So, we're going to do some tea now. We're a few beers deep, so we need to make sure we. Looks like we're drinking more, but we're not. What are you doing? Inception. I've got a ragu, and we're going to pair it with a macaroni cheese, which is nice. As you do, chili cheese, and then some meatballs, and somewhere we got like a flatbread there. There's some dill. Water boiling.
Is that cheese going off?
Bradbury's got his. What have you got, Rude Girl? Shin noodles
Sweet chili chicken. That's it.
and a Bosch.
Homemade meatball.
Yeah, mincemeat at the minute.
Yep.
Sorry.
Keep stirring them around that much, they mush turn into mush.
Look, Snail, back off because you're just mashing it now. It's not.
Bit quick, isn't he?
But yeah.
Good with his
He's
wrist, isn't
good
he?
with his hands. And I'm getting the old. I'm basically doing a little bit. I'm doing the pasta. He's got the ragu,
Turn it right down. Right down. Yeah.
and I'm gonna season it and stuff like that. Bradbury's telling him how to cook. To be honest, though,
with age comes experience.
yeah, we've got 2 culinary chefs there. He is. What are you laughing at? We know what we're doing. Rude Girl, tell him. When we used to have chef night.
Yeah, I won.
No, you didn't.
What's that green set?
I did a crab starter, mate. It was fucking delightful.
No,
Live
I tell you
crab.
what you did. He tortured a crab for like 2 hours. He put a fresh crab in the sink, and then he opened the tap up, and he waterboarded a crab for 2 hours.
I can't say I did.
Before we boiled it. Leave it in or don't, but that's what happened.
Was it nice?
Lovely.
Pasta's going, and George is doing the ragu,
With meatball.
meatballs.
Slash mince.
Oh, you not
I'm only
meatballs
messing. I'm
anymore.
only messing.
It's fucking well windy. That's tea. Get under there. Hey? You alright?
Yeah.
Sure? Windy.
One of the guidelines has come out and I can't find the peg. I don't know where I put it. Filming it.
Martin Rescue.
George getting away, like
You got it?
scuttling away.
No. I'm just moving angle. Mankind there.
It's not going in. Right, it's not good. The wind's coming that
Sure,
way.
you might get away with it. Wow.
Oh, stop filming me!
That windy, pulling him over. Peace, brother.
Night!
Night. Have a good night. Sleep safe. Sleep
I will do,
tight.
yeah. Fine, I love it. Bye.
Right, this is our abode for the night. See what George is doing before. This is George's abode for the night.
Think it, would you? Summer this. British summer.
Imagine what it's going to be like in winter, mate. Oh, not even doing anything that tent, is it? Right, it's a bit windy. Let's check. Bit rating. Ooh. I'm seasoned and I'm spices. That's a 9, that, you know. You know, I've had a good drink, a good eat. I'm gonna get made down. It's about 11 now. So I'm a bit shattered. And we'll see you in the morning. Peace out. Boys. Wind's picked up. It's flapping. But of a severe decline here as well. Sliding into the tent for that room. But I've been on and off, which will wake up every half hour. Friendly Clegg. Oh, let's get a broom up.